Gentlemen, let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt fully alive as a man? I'm not just talking about energy or stamina. I'm talking about confidence in the bedroom, that spark that makes you feel 18 again. Now, if you've been struggling with weak or fading erections, don't blame your age just yet. Because here's the truth. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even late 80s reclaim their vitality and performance without a single pill. How? By restoring blood flow where it matters most. And believe it or not, the secret isn't in your medicine cabinet. It might actually be in your fridge. Today on FitFlow 365, I'm going to show you 4 everyday fruits that support circulation, unlock energy, and bring intimacy back into your life, naturally. And here's the shocking part. One of them works so fast, many men feel the difference in less than 30 minutes. So stick with me till the end, because what I'm about to share could change not only your health, but also your confidence and relationships. And before we begin, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a science-backed health tip designed for men over 60. 1. Why erections weaken after 60? And it's not just age. Most men are told the same lie. It's just aging. But the truth is, age isn't the enemy. Circulation is. The blood vessels in your penis are among the smallest in your body. That means they're often the first to clog, stiffen, and lose flexibility. Without strong blood flow, there's no firmness, no sensitivity, and no performance. Think of it this way. Long before heart attacks or strokes show up, your body whispers through weaker intimacy. Ignore it, and those whispers become shouts. But the good news? If poor circulation is the root of the problem, improving circulation can be the solution. And that's where food becomes medicine. 2. The 4 fruits that restore blood flow. Over the years, countless men have asked me, what can I do without pills, without surgery, without embarrassment? And my answer is always simple. Look at what's on your plate. Because 4 specific fruits you can buy in any grocery store, are packed with natural compounds that boost nitric oxide, unclog vessels, and improve sensitivity. They don't just help your sex life, they also support your heart, brain, sleep, and overall vitality. Let's meet them one by one. Fruit number 1, pomegranate, the natural Viagra. This deep red fruit has earned the nickname nature's Viagra. Why? Because it's rich in antioxidants that increase nitric oxide, the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to flow where you need it most. One clinical study showed men who drank pomegranate juice daily had noticeable improvements in erection quality. And beyond intimacy, it helps reduce inflammation, protect your prostate, and support heart health. Enjoy it as juice, sprinkle the seeds on your salad, or blend it into a smoothie. 4. Fruit number 2, watermelon, fast-acting blood flow booster. Watermelon is more than a summer treat. It contains a compound called L-citrulline, which your body converts into L-arginine and then into nitric oxide. Translation: faster, stronger circulation. Some men feel results within 30 minutes of eating it, and because it's also hydrating and full of electrolytes, it supports energy, sleep, and recovery as well. Swap your evening dessert for a bowl of fresh watermelon, and you'll notice the difference. 5. Fruit number 3, black grapes. Tiny but powerful. Don't underestimate these small fruits. Black grapes are loaded with resveratrol, a rare antioxidant that improves blood vessel function and even supports healthy testosterone levels. One of my patients, a 73-year-old, added a small handful of black grapes to his daily routine. Within weeks, his mood lifted, his energy returned, and yes, so did his intimacy. Just a cup a day can make a real difference. 6. Fruit number 4. Citrus fruits, cleaning arteries from the inside. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, these citrus fruits contain hesperidin and flavonoids that strengthen blood vessels, reduce stiffness, and improve flexibility. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. The cleaner and more flexible they are, the better the flow. That flow supports not only your heart and brain, but also performance in the bedroom. Start your morning with fresh orange juice, add lemon to your water, or enjoy grapefruit at lunch. Simple daily rituals lead to powerful results. 7. Supporting habits. The multiplier effect. Of course, fruits work best when paired with the right habits. Movement. A 20-minute walk daily improves blood flow and heart health. Hydration. Blood is 90% water. Drink enough to keep circulation strong. Sleep. Vital hormones and vascular repair happen during rest. Don't compromise. Limit junk foods. Processed meats, fried foods, and excess alcohol silently damage your blood vessels. Consistency, not perfection, creates real results. 8. Closing message. A personal note. Before we wrap up, let me speak directly to you. I know this isn't an easy topic. Losing performance and intimacy can feel like losing a piece of your identity. But you are not too old, and it is not too late. Your body is capable of healing when you give it the right tools. With pomegranates, watermelon, black grapes, and citrus, combined with small daily habits, you can restore circulation, confidence, and connection. I've seen men who thought it was over light up again with energy, pride, and joy. And if they can, so can you. So here's my challenge. Start small. Pick one of these fruits and add it to your day. Then commit to a walk. One step at a time, you'll notice change. If this video on FitFlow 365 spoke to you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this hope. Comment below which fruit you'll try first. I read every response. Remember, gentlemen, you are stronger than you think. Take control of your circulation, and you take control of your life.